A lot of people know Samsung for their mobile phones and their TV screens, but you know what? They're pretty big for appliances. And today we're going to check out a very, very cool brand new refrigerator that could actually help you save some money. So Dimitri, this is the new AI Family Hub. Tell me about how smart this thing is.
Yes, sir. So on our AI Family Hub, it's going to have two very cool and unique features, both of them brand new for 2024. So it starts on the outside. We have these touch sensors right here. So if I go ahead and just literally give it a tap, it's going to automatically open those doors. The second feature that's really cool and is honestly going to end up being probably the coolest feature is this AI vision cam right here. Now this AI vision cam is going to be able to intelligently tell you what you put in the fridge and what you take out. So let's just say we just got done with a day of shopping. I'll explain it with this tomato here. So if I take this tomato out, you're going to hear an audible ding from the fridge basically saying, oh, you just took that tomato out. And then when I put the tomato back in, you're going to hear another little ding. Basically, now when I close this door, you're going to get a pop-up right here. This is the fridge basically telling you you just took out that tomato and now you just put it back in. So now if I go to my food list, it's actually going to sort it by expiration date as well. So right now I know that these guys are going to expire first, so I probably want to use this. And now when I swipe down on this, it's also going to show me a full list of all the items that I have in my fridge. The reason that this is really important is because you can also track things like expiration date. And it's also just going to be a better food manager in general. So you now know what you have, what you need to use, or what you need to order in advance for maybe like a new recipe. So now, let's say it's time to cook, and we want to find some recipes. This fridge is also integrated with what we call our Samsung Food app. So let's just say I want to make dinner tonight. I want to select the avocado, the cucumber, or zucchini, and then the tomato here. I'm going to hit search for recipes. It's now going to go through a database of over 160,000 recipes via Samsung Food, and it's going to pop up some recommended dishes for us. So, just in a second, you're going to see some recommended dishes pop up on the screen right here. So right now, here are the recommended dishes that we can make with those ingredients. And let's say we want to take it one step further. We want to make dinner for the fam tonight. So we're going to go to this filter here, and I only want to see recipes that can be sent to the oven because I just want it to be easier. So now, let's say I want to make this right here. It now tells me the prep time, the cook time, how many calories, what else I need. Now let's just say I went ahead, I got everything, I'm ready to go. I'm going to go all the way down here to where it says send to oven. When I hit this, it's going to tell me the Fahrenheit and how long it's going to take. Now, this is going to send a signal to the oven right there where Laura is. And as you can see, it says recipe sent to oven. Start cooking with your oven. So now in just a second, it's also going to update and say that it's starting to preheat. And now when the preheating is done, you'll be able to stick it right into the oven. Now that range does also have what's called the AI Hub built into it. So you'll also be able to learn about some extra features. So if you choose to with Laura over there, and she can kind of guide you from some more stuff there.
Okay, Dimitri, how much and when is it available?
So we'll be available this year, but no idea yet on terms of pricing or availability, but it is scheduled to go to market this year.
And what size is it?
So it is a standard size fridge, so it's a 36-inch width, and height and depth could be a little bit different, but I know the 36 is, which is the average, that is what it's going to be based on.
And that screen it does have a browser. You can watch.
Yeah,
YouTube,
yeah, absolutely. So you have a full source of apps on here. So it is a 32-inch touchscreen. So you have a bunch of preloaded apps, but you can go to the internet. You have the gallery. You have Spotify. Yep. So if we go to YouTube, for example,
Here we go.
now have YouTube as well.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I don't know if it's on that.